In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to design a classic vintage tourism poster in Canva. Let's jump right in with a clean, simple workflow that captures that nostalgic, retro charm. Start by opening a poster template in Canva. A ready-made layout gives you helpful alignment and spacing right out of the gate, and you can always swap out any elements you don't need. Once your canvas is open, head to Elements if you want to use Canva's built-in photos, or go to Uploads if you already have a picture of your tourist spot. Choose a striking image with a clear subject, think landmarks, scenic skylines, or iconic local scenes, and place it on your canvas. Resize the image to fill the composition in a balanced way. Don't be afraid to let the subject overlap the edges a bit. That often feels more poster-like. Next, use the background remover to isolate your subject. This creates that bold, cut-out look common in vintage posters. If you have any rough edges, a quick refine helps. Then click Edit to open your image adjustments. Change the filter to set the tone. Select a filter that leans warm, slightly desaturated, or grainy to evoke a retro feel, and adjust the intensity so the image still looks natural while clearly vintage. Now, let's add atmospheric elements. Go back to Elements and search for clouds. Choose a style that complements your palette. Here, orange clouds work beautifully to warm up the scene. Drop them onto your canvas and resize until they frame your subject nicely. Open the Layers panel and move the cloud layer behind your main image so it looks integrated rather than covering the subject. Time for the headline. Add text and type your title or a short travel phrase. Keep it bold and punchy. Change the font and select Rustic Printed Stamp for that authentic worn print aesthetic. Then change the font color to tie in with your image. Picking a hue from your clouds or a complementary shade keeps the design cohesive. Resize the text for impact, aiming for clear hierarchy so the message reads at a glance. Reposition the text to the center, using Canva's smart guides to snap it into place. Finally, open the Layers panel again and send the text behind the image if you want that classic overlapping effect, where parts of the subject subtly sit in front of the letters. It's a simple move that adds depth and polish. And that's your classic vintage tourism poster in Canva. Clean, bold, and ready to inspire wanderlust.